Hello everyone, my name is Bola Jakongwe. I am a product designer and a web developer. At today's video, I just want to show you, if you're a complete beginner as a UI UX designer, just want to start and you don't want to go to Udemy or Coursera to get a course for now, just want to start with YouTube and you don't know where to start, how to go about it. Yeah, just 3 videos that I just want to recommend to you to watch, like to get started. From there you get to know, okay, let me go to this place to get the course or this place.
The first video is from Free Code Camp channel. So Figma tutorial for UI design, course for beginners. So when you check the course content, that's almost everything that you need to start with Figma, with UI UX. So 2 things. So you want something, you learn Figma, how to use the tool, and also learn the basic skill, the knowledge, UI UX. So yeah, this is the first video. And the second video is from bring your own laptop. Also, when you look at the course content as well, it's loaded. There's no need for us to be going through them one after the other. It's just a waste of time. So you need to just look at where we need to get the information. That's the basic thing. So, and this bring your own laptop channel, I just made 2 out of 2 from this channel because they kind of work together. You see, this one is Figma tutorial, a crash course for beginners, and second one is bring your own laptops. Again, same channel, free Figma UX design UI essential course. So when you look at the course content as well, it's a lot. So I group this bring your own laptop channel to just 2 videos from this channel. So, and also the last one is from Flux Academy. So when you look at the chapters here, which is course content, it's more of web design basically. So when you go through it, I'm very sure you enjoy it. So guys, if you stick to the end, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more design tips, and if you have any video suggestion, just comment down below, and again I will add the video links to the description as well. And also don't forget to connect with me on social. Thank you.